Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bathroom declutter, and basically I'm going to start decluttering my house from the start again because I've just let too much stuff build up. So here I'm showing you inside the stand I have here, everything. They kind of segregated my stuff, Robert's stuff, and then general stuff. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to jump in and declutter this bathroom because it is in pretty dire need. And also I won't be cleaning it today. I will be cleaning it in another video. So if you're thinking, geez Karen, that's pretty dirty, I'm going to be cleaning it pretty much straight after I declutter it, but it's going to be in a different video. So I'm just removing the stuff we have on the ground here. Robert goes swimming a couple of times a week and he leaves his things here. I had shoes, we had clothes from the shower that I just took. I didn't put in the wash, so everything is just getting removed. And then I'm going to move on to the bat toys and just put them in the bag that we've bought for it, and yeah, just sort them out. So now I'm moving on to the stand, and the first one here is basically holds a whole random amount of stuff. There is Child's Farm things that we use for Ava's bath. There's my hairdryer, some makeup, so I'm just kind of sorting it out and taking stuff out that doesn't need to be there anymore. This middle drawer is for Robert's stuff. So here I'm kind of trying to test out whether his deodorants are full or empty. It's just so hard to tell with aerosols whether they have stuff in them or not. So I'm just trying to sort out everything and then I'll put it back in. And now onto the top drawer, which is all my things. As you can see, everything is just thrown in here. If I use it, I just throw back in, and lots of these things are empty or I just haven't used in many years, so it's just time to get rid and sort it out. Is there an area in your home that needs decluttering? Because my whole home does. But if there is, I would advise you just to take 30 minutes out of your day, if you have the time, and just, sort out that area. Just sort it into 3 piles. Your keep pile, your trash pile, and your donate or sell pile. And just get rid of it. Hanging onto it is such a hassle. So that's my challenge for you today. Find an area in your home that needs decluttering, take 30 minutes and sort it out. It feels so much better when you do it. So now onto the countertop, we have this plastic basket here that basically holds hairbrushes, toothpaste, and a whole range of stuff. I am going to try and get something a little bit more fancier looking, but for right now this will do us perfectly for our toothbrushes, toothpastes, and or hairbrushes. I know I said I wasn't going to clean in this video, but I had to wipe this down. There was so much toothpaste and splashes on it that I just couldn't leave it as it was. And also you'll see me later cleaning the countertop again. It needed to be wiped down. There was makeup and who knows what on it, so I had to do that. Finally, we're on to the final bits here, just sorting out my skincare and also my makeup. I have these packaging from my skincare and I'm just getting rid of it because they're taking up so much space there. So yeah, just spritz it with the cleaner, that's Flora, diluted in a bottle, in a spray bottle, and yeah, just organize that back up and we're done there. So all of this here, from this little turtle up here, is everything that's going to be put in the trash. If it can be recycled, I will recycle it, and if not, it's just going to have to go to trash. What's funny is the majority of these products here, we actually haven't bought them in the last year. The last time I decluttered, I left them here and we just haven't used them, so it's just time to get rid of them. Things can be recycled and so on. These are just a couple of bat toys. This thing here I'm going to donate, and this stuff here, they just need to go to a different area. So they were in the bathroom, but we just need to put them somewhere else. And then these two bits here, the tray off the high chair and also the bat, need to be put in storage. So there we have it, guys. That was today's video, a bathroom declutter. It feels so much better having all of that out. I now just need to sort out the stuff we're going to trash and whether we can recycle it, because I'm all into recycling these days. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love if you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are new here, I'd love if you would subscribe. I put out videos 3 days a week, and for the month of July I am going to be uploading every Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and there will be weekly, if not 2 a week, cleaning videos. So yeah, come along, join our family here in our Irish family, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. So that's it, guys. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.